Let's move over to crypto space now. I don't think that Ladi has much of a good news this morning. Ladi.
Well, the good news is,
I know it was bloody, very bloody.
Yeah, it was quite a tumultuous week last week with global markets like in the U.S. With fears of the dreaded bear coming to those market, the bear market. Everyone's scared of that bear market, and you see the crypto market too is also afraid of that.
Got caught up in it.
Exactly, and we know that's a year-to-date downtrend of about 20%, but the S&P was able to reclaim that level on Friday. So the fears have, relaxed for now, but they are still there. And talking about fear, the fear greed index in the crypto market is at 10 points today. Extreme fear, still within that region. We've been there for a while now. We see the market cap there, $1.30 trillion. That's up about 3.21%. And we see volume traded, $64.54 billion. That's Bitcoin plus the altcoins. And we see Bitcoin dominance inching up there at 44.59%. Not seen that level in a while. Price of Bitcoin, $30,500, up 3.81%. Bitcoin managed to reclaim the 30K range over the weekend. Was trading around 28,000. But now has reclaimed that 30K level. Volume traded $23.47 billion. We see Ethereum also reclaiming the $2,000 mark, up 4% this morning. So we're seeing most of these coins actually reclaim some crucial levels. All right, let's bring in Olumide Adesina, our financial market analyst. Hello, Olumide. Happy Monday.
Yeah, happy Monday. It looks green.
Yeah, quite a green Monday. We've not seen a green for a while, Olumide, and we're seeing, most of these coins reclaim, some, crucial support in the market. We've seen Bitcoin reclaim that 30,000. How are you seeing the price movement?
Yeah, just like you rightly said, we've seen many altcoins and the flagship crypto assets gaining support, particularly Bitcoin moving above $30,000 support level. And that just tells you partly because we are seeing the US dollar moderating at record paces starting from last week. So I think we are seeing risky assets enjoying such moderation. But having said that, you need to be quite frank, Ladi. It seems that institutional investors have not gotten over from the hangover. If you look at the routes that happened a couple of weeks back, where over $300 billion was wiped out, the market value of crypto assets suggested that volatility seems to still be weak, and that's partly why you see the fear index in the crypto market still relatively high. This is partly because we are seeing VCs going away from crypto assets, not like what we saw last year, and the fact that regulators are already talking about stable coins. We had the ECB president last week. She highlighted the fact that regulation seems to be the front runner on this market, and also different stakeholders are also clamoring the same move. So definitely, we are seeing the crypto market still living on a very thin thread, despite the rally we are seeing today.
Right, quite a thin thread. And talking about the market movement at this point, Olumide, what's your outlook for the week? We're seeing that the dollar index is pulling back a bit. Hopefully that can continue so we can see some greens, in this market. But what's your outlook for price movement?
That is very unlikely to see the dollar keep maintaining that pullback for the midterm. Understanding fully well that we are going back to next month, where the US Fed will become very hawkish and start reducing the balance sheet. So I would definitely not be wise to bet against the US dollar moderation. I think, the short term, Bitcoin might recover, but the mid and long term is still bearish for the market.
Still bearish. All right, Olumide, thank you so much. Always great to get your perspective there. All right, now, let's look at the top alts by market cap. We're seeing it's mostly green on that count, as Olumide said. It's a green Monday. We see eCash there up about 15.37%. XRP, 2% up, still at 42 cents. Remember, this was trading at 80 cents just a couple of months ago. BNB up 3.34%. So it's a green market, but as Olumide said, it's still skating on thin ice at this point.
Yeah, still has that bearish sentiment all around it, but we'll see how it goes, and hopefully to be going up.
You know how these markets are. Everybody expects it's going to go down, next thing it goes up.
Yeah, I'll certainly be watching and reporting to you. Thank you so much, Ladi.